Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on new followers notification on Threads on Android. Do you want to receive notifications every time someone follows you on Threads? This feature allows you to turn on new followers notifications, ensuring that you stay up to date with your followers on the app. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that, using just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into Threads. The first step is to open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access the settings next. Tap on your profile picture, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to access the settings. Step 3. Access notifications in the settings. Select the Notifications option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your notification preferences on Threads. Step 4. Access following and followers in the notification settings. Select the Following and Followers option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your notification preferences for new followers. Step 5. Turn on new followers notifications. In the Following and Followers settings, you can choose to turn on new followers notifications. Simply toggle the switch next to New Followers to turn on the notifications. Conclusion. And that's it. You have successfully turned on new followers notification on Threads on Android using just a few simple steps. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you want to stay up to date with your followers on the app. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.